In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the client default language on your Fresha platform. Whether you're catering to an international audience or managing multilingual clients, knowing how to adjust these settings can greatly enhance your client communication. So let's dive straight into this simple yet essential process. First, you'll want to be on your Fresha dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your services and appointments. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're there, we're going to direct our attention to the gear icon located on the left-hand side of your screen. This icon represents settings and acts as the gateway to all your configurable options. Once you click on the gear icon, you'll find yourself in a list of various setting options. Here, we're specifically interested in finding Business Setup. This section holds the keys to modifying your business's fundamental configurations. Go ahead and click on Business Setup, and it will bring up a new menu dedicated to business-related settings. In this menu, you should see an Edit button next to Business Info. Clicking this button will open the detailed settings for your business information. It's essential to focus on this area because it's where all the relevant options for your business language settings reside. Now, you'll want to scroll down until you see the section marked Language Settings. This section is crucial because it determines what language your clients will see when they interact with your business through the platform. You'll find an option labeled Client Default Language. Changing the client default language allows your clients to experience your service in their preferred language, which is a superb way to deliver a personalized experience. To change the language, simply click on Client Default Language, and you'll see a list of available language choices. Choose the language that best suits your clientele. Once you've made your selection, it's important to affirm this change. Therefore, you'll need to locate the Save button at the top of the screen. Clicking Save will ensure that your selection is stored and applied. In just a few steps, you've successfully changed the client default language, enabling your business to be more inclusive and accessible. Remember, offering services in multiple languages can drastically improve client satisfaction and open your business to a wider market. If you ever need to make further adjustments, simply revisit these steps. Whether you're looking to expand your service area or cater to a diverse client base, being able to easily switch languages is an invaluable skill to have. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide insightful and easy to follow. Feel free to revisit this video if you need any reminders or additional guidance on managing other settings in Fresha. Stay tuned for more helpful tips to enhance your business operations.